Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will pour over this flower-shaped cup again. I did that a week, 2 weeks ago. And one of my dear friend Jane asked me if I did that kind of pour with the split cup. And I don't think that I did. So I grabbed my silicone split cup that it has adjustable chambers, and I will pour gold in the middle. I will use just 3 colors, gold and black and white and black on both sides. And I will pour, jiggle a little bit over and see what will happen there. So I will not fill it up because I don't need as much paint for one side. So it's a 14-inch, not 14-inch ounce cup, so I just added kind of half, I think. I don't see the black well. Oh my. Okay, and the gold, the part that it's gold, it's a little bigger than other two, so we will see how this will work. So as I said, I will just pour over the side here, and the gold is coming out first. It's really weird that the gold that it's in the middle kind of came out on the sides. I don't know why. Let's jiggle a little bit. There will be a lot of black, I can already see that. Okay, I will stop right there. And refill my cup. So I will remove the cup and I will dip the middle because this is just, you know, too symmetrical or whatever. I didn't expect that the black that was the outside color in my split cup will be the most dominant, but you know how it is with fluid art, you never know. Let's torch this first. And let's spin. This painting turned out kind of weird. Definitely didn't expect that, but as I said, a lot of times, if you don't try, you don't know. Because you know, with fluid art, you sometimes have this vision and you think that it will work that way, but sometimes it just doesn't. So, but it's okay. I will leave this to dry anyway and see how this will look like dried. Okay, so here she is dry. Definitely a weird one. I just didn't expect. That's why I added gold in the middle to have more of a gold and less of the black and white, and it turned out totally the opposite. So, you know, just weird. I'm kind of thinking to draw something here in the middle. I don't know, because I kind of like this painting. I don't know why, but I do. But maybe I will draw some ballet dancer or something here in the middle. Tell me what you think. Should I draw something? Try to draw something in the middle? denser or something. Or you like it just like it is. It's simple but kind of interesting. Maybe I should draw a spider. I don't know. Tell me in the comments what you think about it. Thanks for watching. See you again on the next one. Bye.